In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. By the end, you'll confidently open Gmail from the Google homepage and navigate through older and newer emails using the built-in arrows without missing anything important. Let's start on the Google homepage. Open your preferred web browser and go to google.com. You should see the familiar search bar front and center. This is our launch point for Gmail. Take a quick moment to make sure your internet connection is stable so pages load smoothly as you move between screens. From here, look toward the top right corner of the Google homepage for the Gmail link. It's usually placed alongside other options like images and the apps grid. Click Gmail to head directly to your inbox. If you're not currently signed in, you may be prompted to sign in first. That's normal. Once you're in, give the page a second to load your messages and you'll land in your inbox, often in the primary tab by default. Now let's move to older emails. At the top right area of your inbox, just above the message list, you'll see small navigation controls showing a message range like 150 and arrows beside it. Click the right arrow to move to older emails. Think of this as turning the page of your inbox, revealing messages that were received earlier in time. After clicking, the range indicator will update, showing the next set of messages. If the right arrow looks dimmed or unclickable, that simply means you've reached the end of the available pages for that label or folder. If you want to return to more recent messages, use the left arrow in that same control area. Clicking the left arrow moves you back toward newer emails, bringing you closer to the first page of your inbox. Watch the range indicator as it changes. It's a handy way to confirm you're moving in the direction you expect. If the left arrow is unavailable, you're already on the newest page. These arrows work consistently across your inbox and other labels like sent, starred, or custom folders, so you can rely on them whenever you're paging through a long list. Keep an eye on the tabs above your message list, such as primary, social, and promotions, because the arrows navigate within the tab you currently have open. If a page takes a moment to refresh, give it a second before clicking again to avoid skipping past a set of messages. That's it. Open Google, go to Gmail, click the right arrow for older messages, and click the left arrow to come back.